Fall is a great time to get some beautiful flowers into your garden. Jeff Wallitsch is here with some ideas, some tips on flowers, so your garden doesn't look completely flat by this time of year.
That's right, because a lot of people plant their spring stuff and summer stuff and they forget about the fall because there's so many cool perennials that you can plant in the garden that are going to give you that fall color.
And these have some great color.
Yes, so the first one, which is one of my favorite flowers, this is the Rudbeckia or Black-Eyed Susan. So it's going to have these little yellow flowers on it, bloom all the way from July up until October. And what also I like about it too is it's a great cut flower and it lasts really long in a vase.
And this also a great cut flower. These are beautiful.
Yeah, the cone flowers are echinaceas, and they come in lots of different colors, different heights, and they're going to flower again, late summer, early fall, and they smell really good.
Oh.
And then a lot of your hummingbirds and butterflies love them too.
This is another good flower for butterflies, correct?
Exactly, and the reason why is because the bloom is really flat here, so the butterfly can actually land on there. This is called Autumn Joy Sedum, and what I like about the sedum is it has more of a limey green bud and it's going to open up to a really pretty pink flower.
What about the shade?
Don't forget about shade. A lot of people do because they're like, shade's boring, but shade's really not boring. It's a lot of foliage colors, textures. So this is a fall blooming anemone, and they're usually gonna flower a white or a pink.
Beautiful.
And then it's actually really mixed really good with the autumn fern here. These are all, again, great that you can do for cut flowers.
What about ornamental grass? Still not too late to get them in.
It's not too late. It's not too late to put any of this in. The ornamental grasses are great fall and winter interest plants. They're gonna die back in the winter time, but you have the really cool interest from the brown, and they come in all different colors and all different heights.
Also, these are also great for container gardening as well. For more details, go to wallitsch.net.